What's up, guys? Welcome back to Breakout Trading. It is Tuesday, November 3rd, and I am going to be going over a late night recap. As you can see, it's 9:21. I got home from work, and I didn't have time to upload the video this morning for the trades I did today, but I do now. So, first off, holy cow, APVO, huge afternoon squeeze. Didn't get to play this at all because I was at work, but this will be on watch tomorrow for sure. Um, Pretty much everything else like sold off today. This is my #1 watch BBGI, and as you can see here, I pretty much marked out all that resistance this stock had to get through in order for me to want to go long, and it couldn't even get through the first one. Come on, let me delete this. There we go. Yeah, I couldn't even get through $2. So honestly, that would have been a fantastic short trade had I done that. AMBO, wow, huge fade on that one. That is crazy. SNDL, not much. JAKK. Okay, so these are the trades we made. So I actually have some live footage of this this stock here. And basically, what happened was in the morning I took a first trade on it. When it started to pop up above VWAP, I longed right here, 50 shares, and then got stopped out. And then a little bit later into the day, it started to curl up again. And I saw this massive green dildo, and I decided to just get long right here because it was breaking past this level here at 593. Right here, this is kind of like a daily pivot high. There was a gap here that got filled, and we had room up to $7. So over $596, this thing really looked like it wanted to rip. So I went ahead and bought 50 shares here. Yeah, 50 shares, or I think actually this is 25 shares I bought, and then I bought another 50 on the pullback to test the previous high of day, and then ended up selling it all right here just before I had to go to work. And I'll play some live footage for you guys so you can see that. Turns out this thing didn't really squeeze that much, so I'm glad to have sold where I did near the high of the day. So that went pretty well, and we went from a red to green on that trade, luckily, so we're still green on the month. Yeah. So that's pretty much it for now. I will play the live footage for you guys coming up right now. Oh yeah, and we're net up 456 today. As you can see here, we made $21 on that winning trade on JAKK, and we lost 11 on the first loser. So that's pretty awesome. My winner was twice the size of my loser. That's the way it should be. And we survived to trade another day. So live footage coming up right now. Okay, guys, so JAKK decided it wants to fucking rip. So what I'm going to try and do is tier in here in 2 different tiers on a pullback. Let's set some orders here. We'll go 591. I want to buy 25 shares. Also 580. I want to buy 25 shares. So that's the high of day here, and kind of the top range of this this earlier trading range there. So if we are long there at 590, will be 585. So I'll use my risk calculator. 555. Okay, so this is what the little calculation I have just come up with is. So if we're long there at an average of 585 and our stop's at 555 and we're risking $15, we can go in with 50 shares. So that is the trade here. That means stop loss will be down here below VWAP, which I like. Do not want to let this pump get away from me. And you can see we are breaking above that level on the daily that topped us out right here before. So now just to be patient. There's no reason to rush into this thing. I want to buy on a nice pullback. I do not want to get wrecked buying a top. So this is definitely the right decision. I'm not going to buy this pump. I'm going to wait for a pullback, even though it's ripping. We want a pullback. We do not want to buy into this. Maybe I should increase this to 50 shares. 0.90. Because it's kind of running away from us, isn't it? Okay, we're going to take away the 588 one. We'll make this 50 shares. Okay, hold on. And we're going to make that 50 shares there at 591. This thing looks really strong. And we'll add more as well down here at 577 if we get there. I'm looking for a squeeze, so we could be along 100 shares in this thing at an average price of about 585. That would be risking $30. Come on, give me a dip. Oh, this thing's strong. This thing's fucking strong. Okay, we're starting in 25 shares there. Pretty high up there at $6. And I want to get filled 50 shares here. So that means I'll be long 75 shares at about 595. It's pretty high. Okay guys, we're risking 30 bucks for this trade right here. Stop loss is going to be down here, so we're just hoping this thing squeezes. Target is $7. I want to start in here a little bit just in case we never get a pullback, which is possible. This is a very low float, so it only has 2.78 million shares. So it is pretty likely this thing could just start ripping and never look back. It looks very good. It looks very bouncy, and it's not really dropping at all. Yeah, it looks really good. Holy cow. So we're not doing anything crazy. We're just starting out with our 25 here. Target on this is $7 once again. We really want it to come down here and fill us at 591. I don't even know if it'll do that though. It's holding very well above 6. Very well. For the time being. Here we go, 591. 591. Damn it. It didn't get us. Fuck, come on, man. That was like 590. Okay, so we're in there. Yikes. We're in there. Alright, that's it, guys. So now I'm going to set a range limit order and go have a shower. This thing wants to rip. That would be awesome. If not, we really gave it our best shot. So I'm going to go 6.92 for my sell. We'll go 6.77. I don't want to take any risks. And then when I'm back, we can see how high this thing wants to go. And 5.55 is the stop. That's just below VWAP here. Put it down here at 5.52 just to give ourselves a real chance. Yeah, that's it, guys. For 20 or 75 shares. Range 677 is the high. We'll put it 6.70. 5.52. So yeah, guys, this is it right here for 75 shares. That's the trade, and I will update this video after my shower. I have to go to work at 10:30, so I don't have a whole lot of time, but we'll see how this one wants to play out. Adios. Alright guys, well, we're still alive. However, it's definitely not just ripping faces off. It looks pretty good. I moved my stop below this pivot low here at 580. 2. So my stop's at 580 on this. Not sure how I feel about it quite yet, but at least we're not risking as much as we were before. So I literally have to go to work right now, so I'm just going to say high price is below that pre-market high there. Let's go, not even that crazy, let's go like 638, and our stop will remain at 580. Alright guys, that's the trade. I will try and maybe, if it rips up a bunch, I'll try and just sell it before I go to work, but other than that, I'm just going to have to leave that. Alright, adios. Alright guys, we are going to take it right here. I'm going to sell half here. Okay. 75% actually. Actually, fuck it, let's just take the whole thing right up here. Boom! There we go. I have to go to work in like, if you can see my desktop, I have to leave at 10:30, but that was a sick trade. Wow, okay, so that was good. We made $21 on that trade there. It's probably going to go higher, although I just really don't want to be at work while this thing is open and I cannot control it at all. So we have $5 in commissions, so we definitely recouped our loss. So up $5 today. So we're up 456. So we just went red to green. That's pretty sweet. I gotta go to work. I'll upload this one back tonight. Adios.